like the sun, where clouds never cry and there's no sad goodbyes on the other side of the rainbow. When we pick up the pieces and find our way back there, where we used to live and knew how to forgive, when the tears leave my eyes and the storms finally subside, I'll meet you on the other side of the rainbow, somewhere down the road where love shines from the heavens like the sun, where clouds never cry and there's no